Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. Today date is 30 July 2025. Let's start with US market. Yesterday US market closed on a negative basis. It gave a closing of 200 points loss. On the other hand, Nasdaq closed in 47 points loss. S&P 500 closed flat to negative around 18 points loss. That mainly happened because today the Fed Powell is about to give the commentary on interest rates, so that we have to watch out very closely. Now today the US futures is trading at 70 points higher, so that's a good news for the US market and for the Indian market too. Now coming back to FIA and DIA data, FIA sold around 4,633 crores. On the other hand, DIA bought with staggering 6,147 crore. So overall, if you look at this month, FIA are continuously selling in this market non-stop. Despite of seeing a rally of 130 points plus yesterday Nifty, FIA were still net sellers. Now, talking about XGX Nifty is showing a gap down opening of flat to negative around 20 points negative. But let's see how pre-market opens and where the Nifty settles. Now coming to Nifty and Bank-nifty, which is very important that we should talk about. Now yesterday Nifty managed to close about 24,800. Now a lot of people are asking me, is it a trend reversal? I read a lot of article where a lot of analysts are saying that this is a trend reversal, that Nifty managed to close about 24,800. I think this is a sell on rise market till we don't close about 25,150. For me, market is still sell on rise. Biggest hurdle for Nifty is 25,000. Now 24,800, yes, we closed about 24,800, but this is just a short covering. This is not a long build up in the market. Nifty will only move, or the other indexes will only move if there is a fresh new long build up. This is just a short covering. So any rise you find is just a sell on rise market. So for me, market is still a sell on rise market. Now immediate support for Nifty lies at 24,800. Lot of put has been shorted yesterday, followed by 24,700, and immediate resistance stands at 25,000. Closing about 25,150, I will be a buyer in this market, but till then I will be a net seller in this market. Now coming back to Bank-nifty, yesterday Bank-nifty underperformed as compared to Nifty. Nifty closed at 56,230.15. Now support lies at 56,000 followed by 56,200. Resistance stands at 56,500. So 56,500 gonna be a strong resistance for Bank-nifty. Now let's talk about some stock specific news. NTPC profit up by 6% to around 4,774 crores, but miss its estimates. Another important news is coming from L&T. L&T net profit surged by 30% and with a strong outlook to rupees 3,617 crores. So that's a very positive news for the L&T. Watch out for these stocks. Now today is the NSDL IPO subscription will be started. So that we have to watch out very closely how NSDL, it was a much awaited IPO. Let's see how it performs. Another, talking about global market, another major headline is Donald Trump has warned that India export can face up to 20 to 25% tariff. So that's a very bad news for the Indian market. Watch out for these news. Now, another good news for the market, IMF today has raised financial year 2026 India's growth outlook to 6.4%, which is very positive for the overall Indian economy. But for short term, the market doesn't look very promising. For long term, yes, I still believe in India. Still, I believe in private banks. All over the market will do very good. But for short to medium term, market doesn't look that much promising. So for me, it's a sell on rise market till Nifty close about 25,150 with strong volumes. And for Bank-nifty, 56,350 is very important resistance for the market. I'll be a net seller till we don't close above these levels on a daily basis. So I've given you the level of Nifty and Bank-nifty. Watch out for these levels and trade accordingly. I'll hope you have a profitable day today. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.